For centuries, humans have gazed at the stars and wondered if other Earth-like worlds exist out there. Today, thanks to advanced telescopes and space missions, we've discovered thousands of exoplanets, planets orbiting distant stars. Among these, a handful stand out as potential places where humans might one day survive or even thrive. Let's explore 5 of the most promising candidates. Our journey begins with Proxima Centauri b, the closest known exoplanet to Earth at just 4.24 light-years away. This rocky world orbits within the habitable zone of its red dwarf star, meaning liquid water could potentially exist on its surface. With about 1.3 times Earth's mass, it's similar in size to our home planet. However, there are significant challenges. The planet is likely tidally locked, with one side permanently facing its star, while the other remains in eternal darkness. Additionally, Proxima Centauri is prone to violent stellar flares that could strip away any atmosphere and bathe the surface in harmful radiation. Moving slightly farther out, we encounter TRAPPIST-1e, part of an astonishing system containing 7 Earth-sized planets orbiting a small, ultra-cool dwarf star about 39 light-years away. Among these worlds, TRAPPIST-1e is particularly intriguing because of its Earth-like density and the potential for liquid water. The planet receives similar amounts of stellar energy as Earth does from our Sun, and its size suggests a rocky composition. However, like Proxima b, it probably faces tidal locking, which could create extreme weather patterns between the day and night sides. The star's frequent flares also pose atmospheric retention challenges. Kepler 442b, located about 1,200 light-years away, represents one of our best finds from the Kepler mission. Orbiting an orange dwarf star, this planet receives about 70% of the sunlight that Earth gets, potentially enough to maintain liquid water if it has a sufficient atmosphere. What makes Kepler 442b especially interesting is its star, which is more stable and longer-lived than our Sun. The planet scores highly on Earth Similarity Index assessments, suggesting it could have a climate not too different from ours. The main drawback is its enormous distance, making any potential exploration or colonization far beyond our current technological capabilities. Closer to home at 49 light-years, LHS 1140b orbits a quiet red dwarf star. This super-Earth has about 6 to 7 times Earth's mass and appears to be rocky. Recent studies suggest it might be a water world, potentially covered in a deep global ocean. The planet's thick atmosphere could help distribute heat across its surface and protect against harmful radiation. However, the high gravity, about 1.5 times Earth's, would make movement difficult for humans, and any potential land masses might be completely submerged under kilometers of water. Finally, we have TOI 700d, discovered by NASA's test satellite orbiting a small, cool star 101 light-years away. This Earth-sized planet receives about 86% of the stellar energy that Earth gets from the Sun, placing it comfortably within the habitable zone. Computer models suggest it could maintain liquid water on its surface, and its star shows no signs of dangerous flaring activity. While we don't yet know the composition of its atmosphere, the planet's size and orbital position make it one of the most promising candidates for potential habitability among all known exoplanets. Each of these worlds presents unique opportunities and challenges for potential human survival. Proxima b offers proximity but faces radiation issues. TRAPPIST-1e has an Earth-like size but probable extreme weather. Kepler 442b appears highly Earth-like but is impossibly distant. LHS 1140b might have abundant water but crushing gravity. TOI 700d shows many promising features but remains mysterious in key aspects. As our detection methods improve and new telescopes come online, we'll learn more about these fascinating worlds and perhaps discover even better candidates for humanity's future homes among the stars.